Okay. Ma'am, there has been a confusion about as far as this labor issue scheme is concerned, and there have been various allegations and all which are made by opposition. And what is your say on this?
So say, according to me, during this time, during the COVID time, we got directions from the center instructing us to give an amount of 6,000 rupees to all the registered laborers who are there with us. So this money was to be transferred straight to their accounts, and this is what we did under instructions from the central government. Then later there were allegations like, a certain amount of money was spent on this, but just to let you know, the total amount of beneficiaries who got this were 9,393 only, and they were given 6,000. So the total amount that was spent was about 5 crores and 63 lakhs 58,000. Out of all those transactions, 2,105 beneficiaries did not get the money came back because their details, the bank details, were not right. So there was an allegation that it's a scam. It is not like that at all. At least from my point of view, I don't think it was a scam at all.
What happens when you say the term of the laborers and all, but people who are well-to-do and all, every has got this money from this scheme.
See, what happens is when we register these people under the board, each person has to give a self declaration. So we take the self declaration, and their names are registered. So maybe on this ground there probably was some confusion, because we go by the self declaration given by the people.
So if any wrong information or if anything has been done, the concerned person or the concerned person who has filled up the form should be held responsible because he has given a
So
certification.
what we'll do is we will go through the whole list and check and see where there was a mistake, and I'm sure we'll rectify it. I will speak to CM about the thing, and it will be rectified.
Now, was this done? Was this filling up forms and everything was done during your tenure?
No, there was some which were done during my tenure, and there was some that were done during the previous minister's tenure at all. It's a continuous process. It's not that it didn't happen then and it happened only now. So it is a continuous process.
What do you have to say about opposition time and again making allegations on this? It's a scam. It's everything in one.
No, like I told you, I don't think it's a scam, and I'm not going to go by what they say. We will do our own investigation or find out where this has gone wrong, and we will rectify it.